Good morning and welcome back up to our property up here in southern Utah. Today's an exciting morning. We got up, went into town with a bunch of coolers. You guys probably know why. We got a quarter of a cow. It's hard to get a cow nowadays. You got to wait in line and like it takes months and months and months, or at least in our neck of the woods. Wait, we got about 30 pounds of meat, 130, 140 pounds of meat, something like that, all cut up in these coolers. So we're about to put it away in our deep freezer, get that thing all stored up for the next, I don't know what you'd say, it lasts like 6 months or something.
4 to 6.
We're gonna put it away.
With the way I eat meat. I'm
right.
like a carnivore. That's all I want is
The wife's doing some laundry right now.
Yes, we are still doing laundry in here.
Yeah.
That is also on the list.
There's like so much stuff that we don't know where to put at yet. So in the bathroom / laundry room where the washer and dryer is going, the whole floor is just a bunch of stuff. We got to figure out where to put it before we can get that in there. We still have access to it and we can use it down here, so it's not a huge deal. In due time, it will happen.
Bless you.
We're gonna open up these coolers, get this meat stored away.
Man, that thing is empty.
Not for long.
That looks so much better.
Yeah. This is all steaks. This is some roast. There's some roast up here too. This is all ground beef. This is all ground.
And a couple pizzas.
This is a brisket from last time.
Yeah, our smoker's not big enough yet. That's also on the list of things to do.
So the first thing we're doing today is wrecking the stairs. No, I'm just kidding.
We're tearing the whole thing down.
We're starting over. This landing has kind of shifted this way a tiny little bit just over time. The only thing I can think of to fix it is push it back so it's level or plumb, and then add like a cross brace from right there, this 4x4 down here, like a little angle, and then hopefully that will keep it from, I guess, moving any further. That's my plan anyway. I'm trying to get that done because I want to start on the railing today. We have some family coming up for Christmas. I definitely need to get that on as much as I possibly can. At least I know for a fact I'm going to do this side going up and then connect it to that 4x4, those two 4x4s, and then I'm going to do another 4x4 on the landing and get up against the house right there so that this whole thing will be closed off.
But what is the solution for the next flight?
I'm not 100% sure yet. It's not going to be crazy. I don't want to put a railing on that side against the house because I don't want it. It's a 36-inch stair, so I don't want just like closed in. If we're going to move furniture or anything heavy or whatever, groceries and stuff like that, we're not going to be able to like carry it. It's just going to bang the sides up. So probably just going to do this side for now. If we decide to do the other side later, that'll be later, but at least one side will be on.
What about putting the railing on the wall of the house?
That's a possibility too. I don't know if we're going to figure it out.
Just like a piece of wood for now, just
maybe
for the elderly.
Yeah, I figured it out. We're gonna try to get this one on for sure, and hopefully the cables, we got a few days before people show up, should be able to get it knocked out. Anyway, first thing we're gonna do, try to plumb up this landing, and we're gonna use the tractor to push it, put some big old lag bolts through it. So let's start with that first.
So you want me to get in there and you want me to push with the gas to try and create it, not the bucket?
Yeah, leave the angle of the bucket where it's at.
Okay.
Because it's sitting flat on the rim board, and then just push a little bit. I'll be down here with the level, unless you want me to be down there with the level.
It's up to you.
I just want to go a little past plumb, and that way when we put the brace on there, if it's a little bit of a setback, hopefully it won't be too much. Here, I'll get in there and do this, just so I don't want you to push it over.
Okay. No, it's plumb right now. Hi, Roxy girl. Watch out, Roxy. Roxy's jealous. She's like, you can't talk to the chickens. Crazy. You can't even pet another cat without Roxy being like, that's my daddy.
Get your butt out of my face. No.
Let me help you.
Wow, well, I went inside for maybe 20 minutes just to grab a little snack. Come back outside and it's snowing. It's not supposed to snow for like 3 days. What is going on right now? It dropped like 10 or 15 degrees, I swear, since the last time I've been out here. I think I'm gonna go put a jacket on and try to get as much of this thing as I can done. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's nice and warm in here.
I have an idea.
What?
I think we should paint our door.
Right now?
Yeah. Wait, I don't want you to work outside right now. It's cold and windy. That's brutal. When there's plenty of things we can do inside.
Okay, I'm down. I'll go clean my tools.
DWIL's wood furniture paint is the sponsor of today's video.
I'm shaking this up a little bit. I'm gonna show you guys what this color is. Ugh. All right.
DWIL is a premium paint for your DIY projects. They offer wood furniture paint, tub and tile refinishing kits, and touch-up paint.
Oh, there's a cover on it. I was like, what is going on? I'm like, that. Why is it gray looking? Okay. Extra safe in here. Okay. There we go. So it's like a blue-gray, love that color. So when you buy a kit of paint from DWIL Paints, kind of a cool kit, it's like an all-in-one kit. They send you some masking tape that's attached to plastic, more masking tape, a roller, a brush, some sandpaper, some gloves, pretty much everything you need to do like a small project. So I don't have to go in my garage and get all this stuff because it's cold and I'm a wuss. We're gonna use the stuff that they supplied, mask off this window, around the door handle and the lock, around the edges of everything, and then paint this. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I am.
With this wood furniture paint set, your furniture will be ready to use within 2 hours after painting. Head over to DWIL.com, hit their inspiration button, take a style quiz, and talk to a stylist about how you can do your next wood furniture paint project.
Started painting. I'm doing all the edges first, around the window, around the doors and locks, or the lock and handle. And then I can bust out the roller, touch up all the middle. The hardest part is always the edges, so it's best to start with the corners and the hard parts first with the brush. This color is great. What do you like it or no?
Yeah, I'm loving it so far. I think it's really pretty. It's like we're gonna have a dolphin on our wall. It looks like the color of a dolphin.
It's blue. Oh, I guess blue gray is dolphin color.
Yeah.
This paint is perfect for our door because it's waterproof. We don't have any little pans, so we're using a plastic plate, and I feel like I'm a little kid.
Finger painting.
Finger painting on art project in school or something. Whatever.
Whatever gets the job done.
What's one of those things that you put your finger in and it has like all your colors, like a little palette, like you're an artist? That's what I feel like.
Like Bob Ross style.
Yeah, yes.
Do some little trees.
We're gonna put a little tree up here.
Paint the sky blue-gray.
Right? Oh, it's gonna look beautiful.
I'm gonna have to get out your afro.
I don't have one of those.
If we let your hair grow out, it is.
Right?
Since I was a child, when I was young and wild, nobody could ever tell me there was nothing to overwhelm me. I thought I
like so satisfying about pulling that off and seeing the line.
It's a common misconception that you want to wait till the paint dries and then you can remove the tape. It's a bad idea, it's the worst idea. Anyone that's ever done it before, you've probably ripped paint off right with it, right? Yes, right? You have too, huh? I was pointing at you.
Oh, me?
Yeah. You want to take it off while it's wet because then it won't like rip off the paint. So that's what we're gonna do.
One of the best features that makes it great for our front door is that it's scratch resistant.
This is the one that's gonna make the big difference, and you're gonna see the whole thing done.
It's like opening a present. Give me the mountain view, babe.
All right, we got the door painted. In my opinion, I think it looks awesome. Looks really good. We want to thank DWIL Paints for sponsoring this video. Now we'll see you guys in the morning.
Good morning, guys. Who is ready for Christmas? We are not.
Right? I don't know if we've even spoken about this, but we have the gas range stove in our house. We did the conversion kit, or I did it, and for some reason didn't work. Like, I don't know if I did it wrong. Obviously I did it wrong because it's not working. So it sets off the carbon monoxide detectors that we have when we use the oven yet, and it's been like 3 weeks. So we can use the stove top. We're gonna go meet someone right now that does this. Like, they own a business that they do this for a living. So they're gonna come up and help us out and knock this out, because I think tomorrow we leave for Vegas and then we come back with everyone. It needs to be fixed so we can make cookies and cook food and all this stuff.
Yeah, you guys know my husband's like such a cookie monster, and we haven't been able to bake cookies. Right?
Anyway, we're gonna go down the mountain and meet him and then bring him back up so he doesn't get lost. Hopefully knock that out. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because I still have other stuff I have to get done today. Yeah.
Let's go.
Anyway,
let's roll.
On our way.
Oh, after me? You got it.
It's later on in the day now. We went and picked up the guy that was helping us with appliances. We just got back from taking him back to his truck so he wasn't gonna get lost. And now it's about 4 o'clock, 4:30, so we got about an hour of daylight. I'm really gonna try to get this railing look like something. I only have that one post on there. I got a couple more to go. Anyway, on the side note, the stove still doesn't work. It's like one of them new ones that don't have all the adjustments, and the kit that came with it didn't have the orifice. The guy that just came out said it's probably the gas gauge, or the gas tube and the gas gauge, or so, I don't remember what he said. I don't know. It's under warranty. They already sent the stuff. Can get that done when it comes back here. Till then, we're without a stove. We do have our toy hauler and it has a stove in it. So if we need to, we can use that. That's a plus. Let's get to work and try to get some of this done. Let's get something done today, you know? The day is like almost gone. I'm gonna go get a 4x4 so I can get another post mounted. See if we can get a railing on top of this thing.
What do they want? I think they want some dinner, Daddy. They're chasing you down.
So I'm gonna give you the end of this, and then I want you to be on this edge, like at the top, that edge, and then I'm gonna go down to that edge, and then we can switch on.
Dang, babe!
That's a good one, right? There's not even like a little edge from missing it off a little bit. It's like perfectly straight.
Look at you accomplishing all those things.
Go, kitties. Go, go, go.
Come here, baby. Come on, Feisty. Come here, Feisty. You guys know we're doing Christmas up here and it's our first Christmas, so my mom's only request was that Nick had the railing done so she could get up and down, which I love because I think safety is sexy and I'm all about it.
I've been wanting to get this done for a while. It's just kind of lingering over my head, so it's nice to get it done, and it's definitely safer for the kids and for them, especially if it gets slippery on here, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know if we're gonna get the cables in tonight because we have to leave in the morning to go to Vegas. We're definitely gonna get the rails in and the top piece on. You can grab onto it and have some stability, you know?
Oh, that's gonna fit so perfect.
Can you grab that?
I can just see so many monster trucks going down this ramp, this railing turned ramp. It's like it's all coming together, like the whole puzzle's coming together. There's little pieces going in. What?
It's a big old jigsaw puzzle. All right, can you loosen that down there, please?
Yep.
All right, guys, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm super excited to get that railing almost done. We're gonna finish it up tomorrow before we head out. I'm cooking up a pizza right now in the smoker because our stove still does not work. We ordered the part. We wanna thank DWIL Paints for sponsoring this video. If you guys have a project at your house that you need paint for, check the link in the description, check their site out and see if they have the colors that might be right for you guys. Subscribe to this channel if you are not already. Give it a big thumbs up, comment any questions you guys have. Have a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you guys next time.